Hey guys, what's going on? I'm just here unboxing Assassin's Creed Rogue Collector's Edition. As you can see there, that's pretty cool. I'll just show you the back. That's like all the stuff that you get in it and whatnot. Anyway, just get the box out, which as you can tell, you can just pull out. Alright, so I've just pulled it out of the case there, and it's like a box which you just lift up, and there's the game. Assassin's Creed Rogue. Show you the back. Probably a little blurry for you, but you know, it's only my first unboxing, but and don't know exactly what this is. Oh, it's additional content, you can tell. For some reason my camera doesn't want to focus. Yep, blank. Not so much a blank side, it's like a snowy mountain. Now you got an art book, which I'm assuming is just all the pictures and that, and as you can see, yeah, got like a cross thing, and there's a Ubisoft logo. Yeah, pretty cool. Right. Here we have the Assassin's Creed soundtrack. There's all the songs on the back. Looks pretty good. Might give that a listen later. And here, I'm assuming are postcards, which, just give me a second, I'll just get them out. Alright. So these are the postcards. That's one. Oop, actually that's the wrong way around. Sorry about that. That probably looks a little better. That looks pretty good actually. Number 2. You got the new Assassin's Creed guy right there, looking at a pile of wrecked ships. You got number 3, which is also not the right way around. But you got a flock of birds, and I believe that would probably be his new ship. But yeah, that seems to be the whole lot of it, as you can tell. So hopefully you enjoyed that unboxing, and hope to bring you more.